Today I'm going to be building a trellis for my small little backyard. Climbing rose bush, this thing is gorgeous when it's done, and I'm going to have a trellis arbor that's going to come out. I need to build it about 9 feet because I'm going down to the ground and I want it 7 feet from the deck. Everything's downhill. I live on a pretty steep slope here. Oh! Oops. First time carrying wood, I guess. Well, this will be an interesting project because I just realized I left my entire tool belt at my job site. And for some reason, my entire garage, I don't have one single extra square. I do have a drywall square. We're gonna put some big screws in there, okay? What's that? Oh my goodness. That's very cool. Tools are cool. That's not bad. You're trying to say cheese?
Yeah.
Okay. You think there's a photo? Say cheese.
Cheese.
Good job. High five. Do you want to help me carry this big guy down?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, good job. You're strong. So this is going to be interesting by myself, but I've got you, so maybe I'm not completely on my own here, but to put one side on, the other side is going to want to break. But I have an idea. Hold it like this. Look, hold that. Like that. All right, don't let it fall. Thank you. What was I? Was I just like smoking when I did this? Like I'm not even looking at what I'm doing. Just kind of putting it wherever I want.
It got boogers.
You got boogers? Ew, yeah. I don't know what I was thinking when I first started doing this, but all right. So this looks crooked as heck, but that's just because I don't have them lined up.
Dad?
Yeah?
Okay?
Am I okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm okay. Are you okay?
You did this.
What? You're okay?
Yeah.
Oh, good. If you're okay, I'm okay. Okay, buddy. This is it. Had a little cookout at my neighbor's house, so had to pause on this. So getting back to it. Pretty freaking big for one little vine. That's a little short. I'm not very tall myself, so this has definitely got to be pushed up. So I'm going to put a footer underneath it, get this bad boy up. This is better. I have 79 inches, so I'm an inch short from a standard door height. I'm okay with it. What do you think? Forrest likes it. Forrest likes it. Next, I guess I'll just take this climbing rose bush and start it. It's only March right now, so here in Western PA. Oh, the cat's decided to join us. Cousteau! I think he likes it. I think Cousteau likes it. Yeah? Okay. No climbing it though. Actually, you can climb it.